so we're gonna do steady mountain pose. So our posture, yep, perfect. You already got your feet glued together. That's how we wanna be. We wanna keep our posture nice and tall. Drop the shoulders, so just feel like you're rolling them back and allowing them to drop. It's important that they don't feel like they're up to the ears, but dropped, exactly. And then when you're rolling them back, it automatically expands and opens up the front of the body. The chest, chin is slightly tucked in, like a chin tuck, so you don't want your neck out, or you don't want to look up, but just a nice chin tuck, which you also feel aligned with your spine. And you can tell that your core muscles feel engaged, and thighs feel engaged, legs feel nice and strong, and just feel like your tailbone is also long, dropping towards your feet, your heels, and just maintain that. And your hands look perfect. Yeah, exactly. So you want to feel like you're almost like pushing the ground down with your hands. Yeah, stay there for a bit. Looking good. And the trick is actually to hold this pose a little longer, then you get to really feel how it's allowing this part to relax and drop. Great, good stuff, amazing.